I wanted to build something that could instantly warn me up when there is fire nearby, like a mini alarm system. And the main components for this is this little sensor right here. This is a flame sensor, and it will how it basically works. It detects an infrared light that comes from the real flame, and once it picks it up, it tells the SP32 to trigger the alarm. So let's get started. And like that, everything is done. Let's put this aside and let's get started to the coding part. And like that, I finished coding. So this is basically our code. And let's build it and flash it. And we're waiting. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? This is our setup. This is the LED and okay. I hope it will work. We have a lighter right here and we will start the light on. Oh, you hear it? There is light right here. If I put my hand, there is nothing happened, okay? And when I put lights on, boom. And like that, our project is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments, don't forget to comment down below. See you next time.